What's up, YouTube? I am here at a condominium complex here in Fort Lee, New Jersey, just about 2 miles north of Edgewater, New Jersey, on the Hudson River, called the Atrium. We are inside in the middle of the atrium. See how beautiful inside this facility is, overlooking the Hudson River and Manhattan. I'm about to walk you into one of my listings, which is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom condominium, currently for sale. So let's take a look. Quick tour and then I gotta run. So as soon as you walk in, you have a half bathroom. I love the bathrooms in this complex. The marble, nice half bathroom, ginormous living room area. Right off to the left, you have full island kitchen that opens up into the living room. Little wet bar area over here. And if we go down this hallway, we have one of the bedrooms right here. Great lighting. Nice sized bedroom, sliding glass door that opens up onto the patio. This patio actually has 2 access points. One door is off the living room, where we just were. We walked right through there. And the other one's off the bedroom. You can see the city off in the distance over there. Beautiful late July day. Very warm, little kids' playground. Just absolutely beautiful area, convenient to everything. All right, so going back into the first bedroom, and right off of that bedroom, we have our first full bathroom. Every bathroom is a different color. All marble. We have behind this door, washer and dryer. And then we have what's awesome to this unit is a laundry room, a full little laundry room to wash and fold clothes in here. All right, so making our way back through the living room. Hi everybody, past the wet bar to the other side of the condo where we have additional bedrooms. Here is the second bedroom. This is probably the smallest of the 3. And nice walk-in closet, very big walk-in closet in this bedroom. And over here we have another full bathroom. Check out how cool this bathroom is. They did an unbelievable job with the bathrooms in these units. And now we're going into the master bedroom, the biggest bedroom of the home. Very big walk-in closet, as you can see. And you basically have a second terrace. I'm not even gonna take the time to get out here, but you have a second terrace. It's basically facing the same exact way as the other one that we were just on. So you have 2 terraces out of this condominium complex. And now my favorite part of this unit is the master bathroom. Check this master bathroom out. Very big stand-up shower, dual sinks. Hi everybody. You have shelving here. And now that is a true jacuzzi tub with mirrors all around. You have a bidet, a toilet, but this right here is my favorite part of this condo. Absolutely spectacular. This is a jacuzzi that just begs you to get in it every single day. I've seen them try this in many other units and they're half the size. It's the thought that counts, I guess, but you want something functional, and this is definitely functional. Plus you have plenty of space around it for body wash and bubble bath and candles and roses or whatever else you want to put here. So Very, very inviting bathroom to take a jacuzzi bath when you get home from work. Walking back through. So there you have it. Again, we are at the Atrium 1512, apartment number 2N in Fort Lee, New Jersey. So if you're looking to move into Edgewater, Fort Lee is actually where the George Washington Bridge is located. Super quick access via the GWB into the city. And we are right next to Edgewater, New Jersey. So again, other towns, if you're considering Edgewater, New Jersey, you might want to consider Fort Lee, New Jersey, and Cliffside Park. All nice, beautiful Bergen County towns with quick access to the city, plenty of shopping, restaurants, food stores. Believe it or not, Fort Lee has an amazing, amazing interstate park called Palisade Interstate Park, where I take my dog every summer to actually swim in the Hudson River. It's a beautiful hidden kind of place where people go to picnic and barbecue and run and hike, and all the cyclists go back in there. It's like an 8-mile stretch, and that's located walking distance right from where we're at right now. So if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please feel free to post below and or shoot me an email with any content requests or any area requests overall, and I'll do my best to provide you guys with the best service I possibly can. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having an excellent and blessed week, and you have an even more excellent and more blessed weekend to come. So I'm about to get out of here and go to my next appointment. I'm gonna leave you once again right where we started. Spectacular Atrium condominium complex here in Fort Lee, New Jersey. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Ciao.